Bonafide Hustler here. You guys like my shirt? It's got a pocket in it. Oh. In this video, we're hitting up garage sales. It's gonna be really exciting. You guys have to come. What's up, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the outside of my house. Me and my brother, we're gonna go garage sailing. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
I can't hear you really.
Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready?
Oh, I can actually hear you.
Where's your pocket?
I have one.
Oh, you have one. Wow, they actually like sewed that thing really well in there.
I think this is a garage sale for $2.
Oh,
Oh
yes.
yeah, like that's not obvious.
That's not obvious.
Will you take $2?
All right, so we're gonna go hit the road right now. There are a ton of garage sales today. We're not gonna be able to see all of them, but we're gonna take you to a bunch. If you love these ride-alongs, you have to hit the like button early, and you have to put a random comment right now. I just want to know who is watching at this very moment. Let's go hit the first garage sale. Let's get out of here. Come on, E-Money. Oh, you got a little drink, E-Money?
Yeah.
I have a feeling there are gonna be a lot of garage sales today, so we're gonna knock this out now, because once it starts up, we're not gonna be around any good coffee. And second of all, there's no sense in like killing time in the midst of like golden hour, or golden hours, or golden showers. Are you ready?
What?
Anyway, before we get in there, your first assignment is to comment down below who's got the better shirt on. This one or this one? This is not technically a shirt. This is like a shirt without some neck and some sleeves and random stuff. So, but he does have the pocket game on strong. My pocket is probably not meshed up pretty good like his is, you know? His is like, you couldn't even tell there was a pocket there. That's really well done. Wow. Okay, so that's your first assignment down below. Let us know. Let's get some coffee real quick. Into the coffee bean we go. Doppio. So we went to this place called the Coffee Bean. You probably have it in your town. I already know this Doppio is gonna suck.
Yeah, but at least it doesn't cost $6.
What did it cost?
Like $5.59 for both.
In my world, that's basically $6. What does it honestly smell like? It smells roasted to all hell, right?
Yeah, it does.
Too much roasted.
It smells like roasted almonds.
This is terrible.
Ow! Ow!
Wow. I'm gonna say this right now. This is the worst.
This might be the worst.
This is the worst Doppio I've ever had in my entire life. It's so terrible. When I tell people Doppios are awesome and stuff like that, go to a place that makes good craft, you know, drinks and coffees, and they source their stuff from like crazy places like Ecuador, Sumatra, or something like. Just go to one of those places, because this is terrible. If you're sitting there taking my advice to get a Doppio and you're going to Starbucks or Coffee Bean, oh, I get it. I can see why you would never want to do this again.
I can't believe it. We even paid for this.
Oh, we should go back in there and just fire in the hole that place. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, that's so bad. All right, but we're getting close to the first round of garage sales. We have like 3 neighborhood-wide garage sales to go to today. Let's go. Right down there. If we're lucky, we'll get a cheat sheet. I think I see the cheat sheet box right there. It has a balloon to it. So we're gonna basically go there, find this little cheddar map, and then it's gonna say that there are a bunch of sales within like 5 streets. This neighborhood's not terribly large. It's probably about a mile in each direction. And we're gonna be there about 30 minutes early. We're gonna see if anybody's staging up or if we can get to someone's house quicker and just exit off the map. Here we go. The map box is here. E-Money, I can see your ego. And I can see my ego too. We're here in this arrow. But we got all these little guys to see. Oh my gosh, there's a lot more than we thought. So we're actually seeing garage sales, but we're marking them off the sheet because they're not that good. We've done some drive-bys. We've actually walked up to a couple, and we're Xing out these little things as we go. And we're trying to find the winners like immediately and like soon. So we don't spend much time here. Yeah.
See what's on that hanger.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go check this one out. This one looks good. You ready? This is a vintage magic hat. All right, E-Money's buying a jersey and maybe some hats. Come on, E-Money, we gotta go, dude. All right, let's go. Come on. You got some hats?
Yeah.
Some random hats and
so
stuff like that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And a jersey.
This jersey.
How much do you think the jersey will sell for?
Not sure, but I thought I'd take a swing because
it's a Lee.
$4 for all of this.
All right, I'm thinking like maybe 25. We'll see. It's making my heart pound a little bit because we're getting to garage sales, but then so are these other trucks and stuff. And so you know what that means when you see a truck ahead of you. It means these people really have cheddar on their mind.
Might be some boost stuff in here.
We're doing some serious just drive-bying here. Make the call, E-Money. Oh, I see a neon back there. What's the neon about? Hold on, is that Corona? I don't know. What do we want to do? No? Sweet tea vodka? No. This doesn't look that good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Exit out. This one, you know, we have to decode this stuff. See some old ladies, and they're putting random stuff out. Nothing really, like, pops out at me. I'm looking deep into the garage as well. I'm looking like at all the other stuff they might bring out. I say I pass on this one. This one looks okay. We see some random stuff. This looks okay. We're gonna try this one out. Are those antlers like real antlers or no? Not real?
I don't think so. I think it's decorative.
Yeah, these are decorative. $1, pretty good deal. All right, so this thing right here, use status, goes for around $30.61, 75K offers rank. I'll do it. And there's some free tapes that came with it. I've spent $1 on this one. Okay, one thing that we are noticing as we go around, the competition's really high in this neighborhood. We can't believe it. It's super high. There are resellers everywhere, man. Like zooming around, there's a Bob stroller, a double Bob. Oh,
I think this one might be all right.
Let's go check this out. 30 bucks. And it's probably worth about 1 to 150. Let's do it.
I told you to pay for it
Yeah.
because when I heard the door close, I thought it was like the wife.
Yeah.
Because I thought that I sold this exact one
Oh.
because of this.
Oh, okay. So you
That's
thought
why.
that was the one that you sold?
Yeah.
Oh, weird.
That's why I didn't want to turn around.
Okay. I wish it broke down the middle. It doesn't. Bikes haven't been ridden in a while, huh?
No.
Crazy. From that garage sale right there, we got this locker. Oh my gosh. What have we done? So we got this locker, and then we have 2 bikes on the back of the rack that we got for $15. Those will probably sell for like $120.
And then
Both. This locker will probably sell for about 100 to 200 in my booth. People love this stuff in my booth. So we paid 20 for this thing.
and like 30 or so National Geographics for free.
For free, yeah. We got 30 National Geographics for free. Go look on eBay on National Geographic lots, and you'll see what we're talking about. All right, from that garage sale, E-Money's making a deal on some bats, by the way. $12. A Bandit VXL with extra stuff on it too. Upgraded shocks and all that kind of stuff. 12 bucks. I should be able to get this to work, no problem. Reselling this is probably like 1 to 150 like all day. Houston, we have a problem. There's not much room in the Cheddar spaceship anymore, and it's only like 8:30. I'm kind of close to my house. I might have to go back. Oh my gosh, I just don't see this day playing out real good. I mean, I see it playing out good. I just don't see myself having the space for everything. E-Money's popped on some bats here. We got too many things going on at once. This is getting overwhelming.
Okay, so the spaceship is full. That bat lot, and there were like Easton XL1s and XL3s. I paid about 30 bucks. Should be able to score anywhere from 80 to 150 bucks on each one of those bats.
On each one?
On each one.
Dang, man.
Yeah.
8:45, we're pulling up to our house. Doing a major drop off right here. We're gonna keep the lockers on us because we're gonna tag them up, bring it to the booth later. Whoosh! Cheddar drop has been done, successful. There's nothing in here except for the lockers and some other random things. We dropped it so hard, we might be at the next EDM festival. We have serious drops going down here. I love neighborhood white garage sale season. I love it. Tons of signs. You know, we'll see what we can make out of this. Probably in our best interest to check these out. They're 2 right next to each other. Let's see if we can find something here. Pretty easy. Did pop on a bike. It's back there. Gonna probably sell for around 80 bucks. It was 15. Not too bad. Really good condition actually. Schwinn mountain bike. Nice. What up, dude?
This neighborhood sucks.
Really?
Yeah. They were asking way too. There's only one good sale like around here, and they wanted way too much stuff at that. Way too much money at that place right there.
This one up here?
Yeah. So you guys did a drop off. I saw a new bike back there. Chilling on the bike. Bucks to bucks, guys. Check it out.
I'll pay him later. Good to see you, man.
Good seeing y'all guys.
Yeah, later, man. I love seeing that guy. He's always in such a good mood. He's like me, but not me. but kind of me. Well, we're in a good one now. We're way in South Austin. I've already driven 48 miles today, so just kind of give you context of what's going on. But I think we're gonna find some good things in this neighborhood for sure, so you'll see. E-money. Yeah. If your sideburns were a popular 2000s phone, like a cell phone, it would be the Razor of sideburns.
Not the chocolate?
You'd be the Motorola Razor of sideburns. Been a lot of cheddar drive-bys here. Have to. That's the only way you can really go see, you know, 40 garage sales in a day, or 60 or whatever we're trying to do here.
Oh, bike.
There's a bike. All right, let's go look at this one.
So there is a rally bike over there. The guy's asking 50. I think Chris is gonna try and negotiate down to 40. Oh, I'm wondering if his words are gonna be, I'm at 30, but can you meet in the middle at 40? Let's see. Ooh, I saw him hand the cash. Let's see. I have my sneaking suspicions. I'm at 30, but can you meet me at the middle at 40? Let's see. You ready? Hold on. Yeah. What's the pro tip? What did you tell him to close it?
He wanted 50. I wanted to be at 30. But here's the thing, you just tell him meet you in the middle. It's like the easiest tip of all time. I was willing to pay 40. And the best thing about it is that bike needs nothing. It's ready right now. There's nothing it needs. Do
you want to hear something funny?
What's that?
Did I not call that?
What?
I literally told your audience that if he's gonna negotiate, he's gonna say, I'm at 30, but can you meet at the middle at 40?
Always works. It's like the best tip of all time, man. It's so gangster.
100% spot on.
Doesn't it work?
Yeah.
It works all the time. It puts the people in a very weird scenario. They're like, oh, they get all uncomfortable and they just want to get out of the situation, so they say yes. So it works every time, dude. Dude, E-money is taking forever at this garage sale. Oh my gosh. He's been here for like 10 minutes. Like, I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if he's making a deal. Even if he's making a deal, it should never take 10 minutes. Ever, 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 ever. He's sitting there and this dumb lady like went inside her house 5 minutes the first time, and now she went back in her house for some dumb reason. You have a garage sale, you should be prepared. Like, you shouldn't be in your house for 5 minutes at a time doing things. Like, I'm sorry, like, it's just weird. I'm getting kind of amped up. Think good thoughts, all right, think good thoughts. I never thought I could have a cheddar panic attack. I think I'm having one right now. I think so. I need a paper bag. So it turns out she went in her house to get some sort of change. This lady's not prepared. Oh my gosh. How does E-money always find these garage sales? I don't get it. I have no idea. Okay, we just blew 35 minutes of this one.
Jeez, I know.
Dude, you take forever, man.
Dude, you had like no sense of urgency at all.
Okay.
Oh,
what's the deal?
Super rough.
Golf club. How much and how much?
$10. And should sell for 30 to 40 locally.
What is it? A burner?
No, Titleist.
What, Titleist what? Titleist what?
I don't know the model number.
Oh, well, you clearly looked it up and stuff.
I did. That's what I'm saying.
Well,
like,
then how do you not know?
$40.
Okay. All right. All right.
I don't even know this song.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Listen to it. E-money just said he doesn't know this song. What? E-money.
What?
If your sideburns were an 80s crush, you'd be a Leah Thompson of sideburns.
That's pretty good.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. She was hot.
I'll take it.
I thought it was hot. She's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot. So I'll be really honest with you guys. We've been doing a lot on the Instagram story today. It's crazy. There's probably like 30 or maybe 40 little hits on the story. So 30 little clicks. You gotta check it out. Go check it out. I mean, by now you've seen it down below at the Bonafide Hustler. And we're at literally like our last garage sale of the day. Our tacos are being made right now. When we passed by Taco Deli, we smelled them for a second, but then they weren't built. But we know that they're making them. There's one more garage sale somewhere around here.
Next.
And this is pretty much it. This is gonna be the last one. We've seen so many. I feel like I've seen 50. How many have you seen today, E-money?
Probably 40.
All right. There's a lot going behind the scenes that you guys don't see. A lot of editing, first of all, but there's a lot of navigation, and I'm doing actually kind of a bad job like filming everything today because it's so fast paced. But it's been a great time. You know, I get to spend time with my brother. It's fun. and Imani's going like, where the hell is this garage sale?
Well, just at the intersection.
He's directing me like while I am vlogging. It's kind of funny. But anyways, we can't find this next garage sale. Kind of sucks. Fun hanging out with Imani. It's just fun, just yeah, doing garage sales. I mean, last night, if you watched my Instagram story, I think I have a problem. Like my problem is I get so excited on Fridays for garage sales Saturday morning. I think it's
What does that sign say?
I think it's so much fun, and I think it's a problem because I can't stop thinking about it, you know? Here's the last garage sale of the day. This looks awful.
Ew.
I ain't gonna lie. This looks pretty ew.
Ew. Ooh, curb. Oh.
There was a garage sale today that had a lady that was so organized and she was all pumped up. She had her like fanny pack for change and all this stuff, and her garage sale was nothing but ew signs and like stupid things and trinkets. I couldn't believe it. Poor lady. And she was so organized, no one was going to her garage sale, and she had so much inventory, and it was like 11 o'clock. It was crazy. Imani just did the locker tag because we're gonna be doing a drop off pretty soon after picking up these tacos. So yeah, be real careful with that. Make sure it dries first, because it can smear. And then we're gonna put it on this lockers. We're gonna get this thing out of here in like 1 second. We're here at the booth. We're gonna take this stuff out and put it up. The fin, go through a fin outwards this way. So lockers going in. Once it sells, it'll probably yield us 120 or so. 120 out, we'll make like $100 on it, something like that. The booth is looking like this right now. Putting some random stuff up from last weekend. So we're doing that. Oh man, we're here at the house, about to crack into these tacos. Oh my Lord. Tacos are looking strong, look at that. We have Roja Antonio salsa. We have the beans, water, yummy stuff. E-money, good day, right?
Great day.
That's right. That's pretty much the vlog, guys. I'm happy to have spent some time hanging out with you guys, and then I got quite the editing job ahead of me. But hit the like button, make sure you leave a comment, and we will hang out next week. Thanks a lot, guys. See you later.